There are currently 68 people infected with COVID-19 here at Rebecca Towers. One person has died.
I'm an essential worker.
Arfin Chaudhry is isolating in his apartment. He and his mother have both tested positive for the virus. Chaudhry and many other building residents took issue with Hamilton's chief medical officer of health, blaming the outbreak on socializing earlier this week.
Caring of one another, and as well as some socialization that goes on in that particular building that unfortunately did lead to the spread. There is not any sort of other systematic issue. The building was well looked after from the standpoint of maintenance.
The residents say when it comes to maintenance, there has been only one working elevator for the entire 17-story building since January.
It's crowded, always 2, 3, 4 people.
And the worst part is the management doesn't care. We never heard from them. To date, we've not heard.
Ria Kumar, as well as her husband and 4-month-old baby, have tested positive for COVID-19. Kumar says people try to wait for the elevator to be less crowded, but it's not always possible.
I have been extra cautious.
Tenants want the other elevator fixed immediately and have other requests too. The tenants are urging the city of Hamilton to prioritize vaccinations for those who live here or to bring a pop-up clinic so that everyone can get their shots.
I'm not able to get my vaccination. I just turned 37 last week, unfortunately.
This is a big problem.
The city had workers testing the tenants for COVID yesterday, but have not yet answered our questions about if any further measures will be considered for the building. The company that owns the building, Medallion, has also not yet returned our requests for an interview. Kelly Botelho, CHCH News.